Lord, I pray for Jesus and the sons of Zion. I pray for Jesus, the mediator of the new covenant, the loyal son, Abel, and those who follow God, the judge of all, the sons of Zion. We are come to the general assembly and church of the firstborn, and we are the spirits of just men made perfect. We are come unto Mount Zion, and unto the city of the living God, the heavenly Jerusalem, and to an innumerable company of angels. I pray for the sons of Zion, and for Jesus, the firstborn. They will never leave us bereft and forlorn.